Hey guys, so if you want to see how I created this bronzy, orangey look, just keep on watching. Okay. Okay, so this is the finished look. I don't know what it is, but recently I have been so into oranges and yellows. Like, they're just so tropical to me. I don't know what it is. I think I'm really just trying to hold on to the summer because I want that summer sun, and it's just getting so cold here in the UK. I'm just trying to hold on to the summer as long as I can. I ain't got nowhere to go, so I'm just like playing around in makeup today. So I used the Lemon Drizzle Revolution palette, and I used the colors Lemon Slice, Citrus, and Delicious. Gorgeous. Oh, and also Baked, like that's the copper bronze kind of shade that's all over my lid. I've got a little bit of eyeliner just there, and I've tried to scratch it off, but all of it isn't coming off. But that's okay, whatever, it is what it is. And of course I paired it with like a nude lip. You know how much I love nude. Anyway, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.